This is the recipe for a super easy traditional Mexican barbacoa made in an Instant Pot or a high pressure cooker. It's super delicious. So for this recipe, these are the ingredients. For 1 kilo de barbacoa or about 2 pounds of barbacoa, you need 2 guajillo peppers, 3 bay leaves, 5 garlic cloves, 1 chile de árbol or red pepper, 1/4 of an onion, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of cumin, 8 whole black peppers, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 kilo of low-fat brisket, chuck roast or pot roast, whatever you prefer. Now, to begin, toast the chiles on a griddle together with the garlic and the onion. Be careful because the guajillos, they burn out so easy. It's about 30 seconds on each side and you are all set. The garlic and the onion, they will take about 3 minutes on each side. Now, blend everything together. I mean, everything we toast, plus the pepper, the cumin, the oregano, salt, along with 2 glasses of water. Blend it until you get a smooth texture, and then with this sauce, we're gonna marinate our beef. You can let it marinate for a whole night, or you can cook it right away. I have cooked this right away and it's incredibly delicious. So if you have the chance to marinate before, it's gonna be amazing. Now, place the meat along with the marinade in the pressure cooker or Instant Pot. If you are using an Instant Pot, use the option Mixed 2 for pressure cooker. Place everything and it will take about 30 minutes after you have put the pressure cap. Once it's ready, let it cool a little and then shred. Here, you have 2 options now. This is ready and delicious, and this is gonna be the low-fat option. If you wanna take it to Mexican street level, you're gonna need some oil and just deep fry the shredded beef. It's really delicious both ways. If you see your pot, there is some juicy soup over there. We call it consommé or broth. Well, what is left? Add 5 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of salt, a piece of cilantro, 1/4 of an onion, and you can add also chickpeas. Now, put in the super broth option. If you add the chickpeas now, just use the bean option, okay, on your Instant Pot and let it cook. And then you will have an amazing broth that is next day food. So we are ready for today's food and tomorrow's food. I hope you enjoy it, and I'm loading new recipes every Thursday in English, Tuesday in Spanish. Enjoy! Bye bye!